Hi Neha.
Hi.
Welcome to Gulte.com.
Thank you so much.
సో నేహా ఇప్పుడు మీరు మూవీస్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు షూట్స్లో కానివ్వండి లేకపోతే ఇలాంటి ఈవెంట్స్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు
Okay.
యూ హ్యావ్ అ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ డిసైడింగ్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు వేర్ దట్ డే.
Correct.
You have to look a certain way.
Correct.
But when you're choosing clothes for yourself,
Yeah.
when you're not working,
Yeah.
what kind of clothes do you like to wear?
Most of the times you'll see me in actually speaking, it depends on my mood. Okay, yeah, most of the times it's casuals. That's because of the places that I go to. But if you ask me what is the kind of styling I like, and I'm guessing naku na mood patti. Like sometimes I like to go Indian. I like to wear something that what you're wearing right now. Sometimes I like to wear anarkalis. Sometimes I like to wear just jeans. Sometimes shorts. So now mood patti I don't have. And for me, comfort is what's more important than what I'm wearing. Anything I'm wearing, even if it's a sari, comfortable ga undali, then I can wear it anywhere.
Okay, so comfort is
Comfort is what it is.
And do you lean more towards like the feminine kind of fashion or towards
I try everything.
You
Again,
try everything.
whatever my mood says. Today I just want to go cap, a sweatshirt and just like joggers, then it's that. There have been times where I've worn baggy jeans, kurta I've worn on top of that, jhumka, and like I've had create my own styles, but it all depends on what I feel, how I'm feeling that day.
Okay. So recent గా టిల్లు స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది
Right.
and your character was very well received and
Thank
obviously
you.
it was
Yes.
so nice to see Radhika again.
Thank you. Yes.
So ఇప్పుడు I feel like it's an iconic character. It's a character everybody loves to hate rather.
Right, right.
But there is so much story to that character that we don't see in the movie.
Right.
మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా like did you ever think of what Radhika went through after she got bail in DJ Tillu or Bangalore కి వెళ్ళిపోయినప్పుడు టిల్లు
Yeah,
స్క్వేర్ లో
Tillu Square లో.
what happens to her?
That is, if the makers decide to tell that part of the story, then we'll be telling that part of the story. But also, I think when we're acting, when we're on the set, there is a before and after that we give as actors. I think most actors, Manam, if there's a particular dialogue that we have to say, we think, why is she saying this dialogue? Endukante mundu enakala what is going to happen andi. Before this, what has happened because of which ఈ dialogue చెప్తుంది, దీని తర్వాత ఏం జరుగుతుంది. So we make up a story. So that's the only way I might have thought of what is Radhika doing next and why she's telling Tillu this at this point of time. But otherwise, no.
Do you think she'll get married after she goes to Bangalore or?
You never know how much she might just come back for Tillu again.
Yeah. So from Radhika to Chitra in
Right,
Bedrulanka
yes.
to now Bujji.
Right.
So please describe your character.
Radhika, strong but of today's time. Very strong-headed character but of today's time. Chitra, happy-going character today's time, but in a like Yadurlanka side character that was. But here we have Bujji, who is seen as vulnerable, quiet, beautiful, elegant. But also Bujji is a very, very strong woman, and Bujji is playing a character that every woman in this world is
Okay.
what I'd like to say, but she's playing it in the 90s. She is a character where she is nice when she's to be nice, she's harsh when she's to be harsh, and she's telling the world, don't push me. I don't want to do certain things because that's not me, but Meeru, you're making me do it kind of a character, right? So she's a very, very strong woman, I should say.
Okay. So Bedrulanka also Godavari ఏరియాలోనే షూట్ చేశారు.
అవును.
Gangs of Godavari also it's a Godavari role.
Right,
So
right.
it looks like you have a
So,
special.
right? Like, yeah, actually, I never looked at it like that. I did shoot 2 films over there, and I've spent a lot of time in that area, in that side, and I've had a great time. The people there are amazing. They fed me some amazing food. Hospitality is great. So, yeah, I've spent a lot of time Godavari side.
So if I'm not wrong, you're from Bangalore and like how many people are in Bangalore, you speak multiple languages.
Right.
It's Tullulo మాట్లాడతారు.
అవును.
Tullu is your mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
Then Kannada,
Right.
Telugu,
Right.
Hindi and English.
Yeah, but I also speak Kodava language, Coorg language. My mom's from Coorg,
Okay.
so there's another language that
Okay.
I also speak. Yeah.
So 6.
Yeah.
Wow. Is there any other language do you want to learn?
I want to learn Tamil. Let's see. Malayalam, they say, is something that I can pick up quickly because of the number of languages I already know in the South. But to them, I feel like maybe I'm a linguist. I've picked up languages quickly anyway all through my life. To them, maybe.
Okay. So now you've shifted to Hyderabad, right?
Yes,
From Bangalore.
fully, yes.
So what are the differences do you see between Bangalore and Hyderabad?
It's been good 6 years since I shifted,
Okay.
to be honest. And I've seen a huge change in the growth of Hyderabad as a city itself.
Yeah.
Because I come from a city which is fully like it's a proper metropolitan city. Ikkada, when I came in, I saw more greenery than buildings. I still do, to be honest. That's the best parts of Hyderabad. But also Hyderabad is a fast-growing city today. I think one of the fastest in India, I should say.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is it in Hyderabad that you can't find in Bangalore and
Biryani.
okay.
I think Hyderabad biryani is great. I mean, actually, my Bangalore lovers will kill me for saying this. Bangalore also has its own kind of biryani. But Hyderabad also does. I feel Hyderabad and biryani first thing in the head. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ఇప్పుడు I've watched one of your interviews. In that interview you mentioned that you are a movie buff.
Yes.
And మీరు వారానికి 3 movies చూస్తారు.
Almost, whatever releases.
Oh,
Yeah, if I can, then I'll go and watch it.
Any movies in recent times that you really liked?
I watched, what is the last film? I watched Shrikant.
Okay.
It was a fabulous film and it's a story of someone from Hyderabad. I didn't know that until I watched it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a story that has to be told. Thank God it's been told, and I hope everyone has watched it because it's a powerful and a very encouraging story.
Yeah.
You know, and it's a beautiful journey of a man like Shrikant. So yeah,
Okay.
that's the one. That's what I watched recently.
So for your fans or for viewers of Gulte channel, if you have any movie recommendations, all-time favorites.
There's going to be a movie that is definitely recommended. It's releasing on 31st May. Y'all must watch it. I think it's going to be great.
Subtle.
Fully thoroughly entertained y'all will be. So please go watch Gangs of Godavari.
Okay. Love it. Love it.
Yeah, thanks.
So it's been almost 8 years since you started, since your debut in
Yes,
Kannada.
Yes.
So what would you say is the difference between Neha then and now?
Difference between, I mean, we all have growth in different ways, but I wouldn't say there is a striking growth because I feel like my thought process and everything has only improved from what it was. From baby thoughts to mature thoughts is what's happened, but the thought process has been the same. So I think somebody else should be able to tell what major difference is, but I don't see a major difference. I think I've just grown the way everyone grows up. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now I have a small segment.
Yeah.
It's called This or That.
Okay.
You choose one option.
Done.
Please try to choose one option.
Okay.
Try your best not to say
Done.
both.
Then you ask me good questions. Don't ask me tricky ones.
Try చేస్తాను.
Okay, done.
Okay. Action or comedy?
Action.
Okay. Traditional roles or modern roles?
Traditional chala chesanu. So now I'd like to try modern.
Okay. Narration or bound script?
Bound script.
Okay. You're a reader.
Yeah, I'm a reader.
Okay. Shooting on set or shooting on location?
Ante?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు గ్యాంగ్స్ ఆఫ్ గోదావరి
Like,
Yeah.
okay. Shooting on location because we get to see so much. See, we also, when we go to a location, sorry, I'm cutting you off, but when we go to a location, we also inculcate what we're seeing akkada kada, the people there, how they are, which helps us because we're shooting like Gangs of Godavari over there. I met so many people and for characters like Vishwaks especially, there's so much they can learn even from the people they meet. So I think location is way better than a set.
ఓకే ఫ్యాన్స్ లవ్ ఆర్ క్రిటిక్స్ ప్రేజ్?
Fans love. Any day.
ఓకే సమ్మోహనుడా ఆర్ సుట్టంలా సూసి?
They're completely two different. Now, this is very tricky. I like both in its own way.
ఓకే
Both in its own way.
ఓకే బట్ ఓకే ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లిసన్ ఓన్లీ వన్ సాంగ్ ఆర్ వాచ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మ్యూజిక్ వీడియో?
Okay, actually, yeah. I would choose Sutamla Susi because it's a song that you can hear repetitively.
Okay.
Samoda is more like a dancey number that I would not want to listen to every day. Sutamla Susi kind of gives you a nice soothing feeling when you listen to the song. So,
ఓకే
yeah, I think.
హీల్స్ ఆర్ స్నీకర్స్?
Or sneakers. I mean, I've been a model. I wear heels all the time, but sneakers is sneakers.
ఓకే లైక్ రెగ్యులర్ స్నీకర్స్ ఆర్ ఆర్ యూ లైక్ అ స్నీకర్ హెడ్?
Oh, no, regular sneakers.
Regular
no, not a
sneaker.
sneaker. No.
Okay. So since you're a Mangalorean and also who grew up in Bangalore, neer dosa or masala dosa?
Neer dosa.
Okay.
Neer dosa any day. Yeah.
I have to try it. I've never eaten
Oh,
it.
you will not have masala dosa after that. It's that good. It's that good.
Okay.
Yeah. And you have neer dosa with the podi that you get over here, like the podi that they make in Telangana, like different podis you all make, no?
Yeah. Okay. That's a combination.
Combination.
Okay. Now this is a very controversial question.
Oh, see, this is what I was saying. Don't do.
ఒకటి అడగాలి.
Okay.
స్వీట్ సాంబార్ ఆర్ స్పైసీ సాంబార్? దోశలతో పాటు సాంబార్ తింటారు కదా, స్వీట్ ఆర్ స్పైసీ?
But దీంట్లో కాంట్రవర్సీ ఏముంది?
ఇట్ ఈస్ అ హ్యూజ్ థింగ్ ఆన్, ఇట్స్ అ హ్యూజ్ డిబేట్ ఆన్ ద ఇంటర్నెట్.
అవునా, నాకు తెలియదే. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏమంటే కూడా కాంట్రవర్షియల్ ఏమవుతుంది
I was just joking. I was just joking.
You like tricking me into something?
No. Okay, what do you like to eat? Sweet or
sweet sambar, spicy sambar. I'm taking it as it is. Okay, sweet sambar.
okay. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Lovely speaking to you.
Hi guys, this is Janvi Kapoor and you're watching me on Gulti.com.
హాయ్ గాయ్స్, నేను మీ రకుల్ అండ్ మీరు చూస్తున్నారు gulti.com.
Hi guys, it's me Rashi Khanna and you're watching me on Gulti.com.
And you're watching us on Gulte. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Only love to you.